Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video is all about the Opulent Airbrush makeup. So let's start. Okay guys, I got the airbrush kit from Opulent. I would like to thank Miss Donna for the very fast transaction. Okay, the first that I would show you is the airbrush cleaner and thinner. So 2-in-1 na siya. Okay, next is the silicone-based foundation. So, it comes with 4 colors from lightest to darkest. So, yan po ang kasama niya sa tool kit, sa complete set kit ng Opulent Airbrush Makeup. So, there. Lahat po sila silicone-based. So, maganda siya. Okay, so now let's move on to blush on. So actually I only purchased 2 of them, but Miss Donna gave me 2 more for free, so thank you again, Miss Donna. So there, makikita natin kung ano siya pagka in-airbrush natin siya. So just comment if you want to see the video doing airbrush makeup. So there. Okay, yan po sila. And now, let's move on to the airbrush machine. So, as you can see, the machine is well packed. Okay. Just be careful on getting the machine itself. So, extra ingat na para hindi siya masira. And then, there. So, I purchased color black instead of white because alam naman natin, white is dumihin. So, maliit lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. Okay, you can control the PSI ng pagbuga ng sa airbrush. So, next is air pump manual. So, main features, product features, basic parameters, and the features. So, hindi tayo malilito kung gagamitin natin to. They have all the instructions inside. Okay, next is the yan yung saksakan. Okay, 220 naman siya. Hindi na tayo mahihirapan magsaksak. Hindi natin kailangan adapter. And this one is yung parang lalagyan mo siya sa gilid ng machine para doon mo ikapatong yung pinaka-pen. Okay, this is the hose. Ayan siya, it's color black also. So, let's move on to the airbrush pen. As you can see, okay, bubuksan po natin. Ayan, yan yung outer box. So, ayan. Ayan yung pen. Okay siya. Very light. And smooth naman yung kanyang texture. Okay. So, ayan yung pen. And then, the other one is yung parang dropper na makeup. And then, sa ilalim ng box, you will see the airbrush on how to use. Procedures, ayan na. Application, specification, how to spray, maintenance, and the airbrush, mechanism, parts, details, and so on. So, ayan. Hindi tayo malilito again. Okay, this tool naman is for adjusting the machine. Sa airbrush machine. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And if you have any topics in your mind na pwede kong i-vlog, just comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you again.